Hi everybody, I'm gonna do really beautiful makeup today, so let's just get started. So I'm just gonna start with my primer really quick. I already moisturized my face and I'm gonna take my primer potion and I'm gonna put it right here. I've got a really deep smile lines and I really don't like it. My foundation always settles in it whenever I smile, and I cannot really, be without smiling. I have to smile. So let me quickly put my headband on. I don't like hair on my face while I put makeup on. So let me quickly do cakey makeup. I really want to do a lot of cakiness on my face. So I'm gonna take my color corrector. I need to buy like aloe vera gel because I need to put it on my hair. My hair looks really dry and rough, so yeah, I'm gonna go out. What's the time? Oh my god, it's 1:30 already. I have to do it fast. Okay, I'm done with color correction. Now I'm gonna put foundation really quick. For foundation, I'm gonna use this foundation. I hope you can see my face. It's quickly put this foundation on my face. This is i7 Second Skin Enhancing Foundation. So yeah, it's already really dark on my skin, but I'm gonna still darken it a little bit. Okay, I'm going for that full face of makeup, so that's why I'm gonna take my beauty blender from Real Techniques. I'm gonna blend all the foundation into my skin, and then I'll quickly go out, buy things. I'm gonna come back and most probably I'll do more videos. I really want to do like face pack on my skin because my skin is like it's like going really bad, so I need to take care of it. I need to do like some skincare, what do you call it, face pack. So yeah, can you see this is literally second skin? That's right, it doesn't even look cakey, and I really wanted to do cakey makeup today. I like this tubing, to be honest. Like, you see, this is like really easy to apply. I like tubes like this. And yeah, I'm just gonna go with the another shade. It's like a bit darker. This is like 004N. Oh god. And this is the one which is lighter, is 007Y. So yeah, and I'm gonna blend all of this. Like, sometimes we buy like really expensive foundations. You don't really have to spend that much money if you can have like such affordable foundations which is like really good quality. So okay, I'm done with the foundation. Like, yeah, not that bad. I wanted to do cakey makeup today, and I think I chose the wrong foundation. It is giving more natural look. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go with the concealer. Let's just go with the light concealer because my foundation is a bit dark. It does not look dark now, but later on it will just oxidize and be more darker. So I would rather lighten before it darkens. This is like so light, but I like it. So So this is how my face looks like after foundation and concealer. And honestly, I don't even look like I've got makeup on my face. Whereas I wanted to do cakey makeup on my face, and now it looks like pretty natural. Anyways, I'm gonna take my pressed powder. It's by MUA Makeup Academy, and it's full coverage pressed matte powder, and it's in the shade 170. So I will swirl the brush in it and just powder my face. I really like this brand actually. I've got a couple of products from the brand, and it's like really nice. I like it. It's also pretty affordable, to be honest. Okay, that's it for the face. And for my eyes, okay, this is my eyeliner, like felt tip pen eyeliner. It's by Faces Canada. So I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna quickly eyeline my eyes. If you're someone who likes to use this kind of like felt tip pen eyeliners, definitely go for this one. It's like really nice. I mean, it's been like more than 7-8 months and it is still working. And I got it from like Delhi, most probably from Amazon. And this is like perfect eyeliner pen. So okay, I am done with the eyeliner, and this is how my face looks like. Oh, it looks pretty natural. It doesn't look like I've got any makeup on my face. Can you tell? Like I've makeup on my face. Does it transfer? Maybe. Okay, so I am done with eyelining. Now I'm gonna quickly take this eyelash glue and put it over my eyelash, like directly on it. That's what I usually do it, because that's how my eyelash stick. I'm gonna take this eyelash and put it on my eyelids. Okay, so oh my god, how I look. My eyes looks really droopy. Yeah, which eye do you like, this one or this one? Obviously this one. Who in the world would say this eye? I look like homeless this side, and this side glam. Okay, I'm gonna take my eyelash glue again, put it all over my eyelid. So I'm gonna take my eyebrow brush and I'm gonna quickly do eyebrows. Now I'm gonna take my blush, which is from Revlon, in the shade 003 Marvelous, whatever. So it looks really weird. Like, why did I buy this? It doesn't even go with my skin tone. But when I put it on, it looks a little different. Maybe. I think I should have gone with a different color. I'm gonna line my lips with this Maybelline eyeliner in the shade Maybelline lip liner in the shade 02. Let's bounce. Yeah, let's bounce. I love this. I'm gonna repurchase it definitely. Lipstick by Kylie Jenner in the shade matte liquid lipstick 601 ginger. And yeah. Honestly, this ginger shade does not last long. It's just like temporary thing. So this lipstick literally vanishes within like couple of hours, so I would not really recommend this. But since I already bought it, I have to use it. And I paid 20 something pounds for this, 22 something. That's not worth at all. So I'm done. I'm not really liking the blush, the color of the blush. So let me just quickly switch it. My red blush, I like this blush. I don't like the color of this one. So I'm taking my concealer brush to put blush on. Oh my goodness, my brain isn't working right. So I'm gonna take my blush brush, put on the blush. Yeah. So okay, I'm done with the makeup. Not that bad. Yeah, kind of okayish. So yeah, I'll just quickly go to the shop and come back, you guys. That's about it for the makeup. Oh my god, my hair is still wet. It's dripping wet and it's really cold. Let me see if I'm completely done or am I left with something. Oh no, I need to do my eye. What do you call that? I need to cover my eyelash glue, so I'm gonna take the kohl pencil and quickly do that. Should I tightline with this? I think let me just quickly tightline my tightline with this kohl pencil. So which one you like the most, this one or this one? I think so. Which eye you like the most, this one or this one? I don't know. So I think this looks a bit too much, though I don't have much makeup on my face, but when you tightline your eyes it looks like you've got so much on. Yeah, next time I like this look now. This tightlining or this tightlining? I think this is better. Okay, I am done tightlining and I am done with the makeup, so that's about it. You can take like some brown eyeshadow and, like, you know, smudge it, the tightline, and then yeah, that would be better if you like it that way, but I'm gonna leave it like this. That's it for this video. I really hope you enjoy. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I'll be back with more such videos and I shall see you soon. Bye.
Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight.